Hi everyone. Surojit here again. In the last session of this series termed as Can Your Excel plugin do this? We saw some exciting functionalities in JChem for Office plugin provided from Chemaxon. As you know, I am Surojit from Advanced Informatics and we are here to showcase some more exciting functionalities that can be done in JChem for Office, particularly JChem for Excel. Now let's say you have generally always experienced that your Excel plugin can handle two-dimensional structures, right? But can I get some more information about the structure? Maybe can I calculate physico-chemical properties? Can I have the atom-wise contribution towards the pKa or the charge information atom-wise? Can I do it all in an Excel sheet? Of course, if you are using JChem for Office, you can do that. I'm not sure how your Office plugin treats the structures, but we have integrated our industry standard JChem search engine, a JChem technology within Excel, so you can do a lot of stuff. So for example, if I just use the formula option here, and if you go here, you will see that there are a lot of formula options here. But if I scroll down, I'll see a lot of JChem options, right? So these are categorized based on different functionalities. But if I just go below, I'll say the JChem Excel function. This gives you a list of all the functions that are available. So these are all the physico-chemical property calculation and other calculations that can be done. So for example, I would want the acidic pKa of this structure. I'll click on OK and I have to select the molecule and I have to select the strength index. So in this case, this is acidic pKa. Should I want the strongest acidic pKa, second strongest acidic pKa, or the third strongest? I can just put the numbers. 1 is the strongest acidic pKa, 2 is the second strongest, 3 is the third strongest. Okay, so I can calculate the properties like this. Let's say this is the I'm just giving arbitrary names right now. So now in this case, as you can see, there are a lot of things that I can also do. Like for example, I can do an acceptor count also. So I will calculate the number of acceptors for this. Then in the next one, what I would want to do is I would want to see the point contribution for these charges, right? So I can just very easily go ahead and type in JC image, right? JCI, then it will give me some of the, let's say I would want the charge image or something like that. If you want an image, something like that, you can very well go to this categorization that is done as image, right? So let's say, for example, I would want the pKa image, right? This is the option and I don't want to put any other options here. Now you can see here, it has given the contribution of the atoms, right? Let's say this is a... Now in this next one, what I would also want to do is I would want to calculate, let's say, some other options, or I would want to showcase some more functionalities. Let's say in this case, what I would want to do here is I would want to clean the structure in 3D. Okay. Now if I double click and open this, you can see that now in this case, I would want to convert it into 3D, and this is in 3D, right? So now once I have done this calculation, I can select these and I can just double click here. So now you can see that it is calculating here, right? So it is calculating 26% is done. So it is going to apply the same formula in all of the cells. That is all of the rows which are having the structures. So now you can see it is populating already. Now you can see if I scroll down, it is there for each of the structures that are there, right? So there are multiple more functionalities that you can calculate. You can see all of these are very, very simple ones. You can also calculate things like MPO and make a radar chart out of that. We will take that up in the next session. Thank you for attending, and we will see you again in some more videos where we showcase some more exciting features like similarity searching, more advanced calculations within Excel documents.